Привіт-привіт! My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In today's video lesson we're going to learn some vocabulary, names of the colors in Ukrainian language and also how to use it in a context. But before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments below if you have any questions about this topic or about the Ukrainian language in general. So guys, we are going to learn with you how to read and how to pronounce the name of the colors correctly in Ukrainian language and also how to use them. I want you to pay attention that Ukrainian colors, they have the form of the adjective. So guys, if you want to learn more about the adjective, how we form it, what are its endings, how we make an agreement with the noun, please check out this video because I'm not going to explain it in details here. We are going to just practice reading and using them in examples, these words. So, black. Black in Ukrainian language is чорний. Чорний, black. Чорний. White, білий. 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 Very interesting because we have two types of blue color in Ukrainian language. Dark blue we call синій, синій, and light blue we call блакитний, блакитний, блакитний. Dark blue, one more time. Синій, light blue, блакитний. Green is зелений, зелений, фіолетовий, фіолетовий, фіолетовий. It means purple. Pay attention, I show you the stress. Фіолетовий. Pink means рожевий, рожевий. Orange, there are two variants of this color. We can say оранжевий, orangewy, and you can see it's very similar to orange. We just borrowed it from Latin one. And we have our own version is помаранчевий, помаранчевий. Yellow means жовтий, жовтий. Red means червоний. Brown, коричневий, коричневий. And gray means сірий, сірий. So let's read one more time. Colors. Чорний, білий, синій, блакитний, зелений, фіолетовий, рожевий, оранжевий or помаранчевий, yellow – жовтий, червоний, коричневий, and сірий. You can ask me, Ina, what if I want to say the word dark or light and say, for example, dark black? Can you say dark black? Light black? Okay, it's not appropriate. For example, dark green or light green. Yes, how to say these words? So the word dark, some additional vocabulary, I'm sorry. Dark means темний, 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 and light means світлий, світлий, світлий. But if you use two adjectives together, like you say dark green, for example, yeah, dark green, we can just leave them by itself. We just combine them, and let me show you how it works. For example, you want to say dark green, so you say темно. Pay attention. We form like this. If we use two adjectives together, the first one it drops its ending. Oops, I'm sorry, I'm just made some mistakes. Yeah, so темний and світлий, we just drop this ending I, then we change it into O, we put dash and use the second adjective. Зелений. So this adjective describes this one. It gives some more explanations, more details. So темно-зелений, it means dark green. And when we show this type of colors, you can see how we write them. We write them with the dash. And if you want to say світлий, yeah, світло-зелений, you do the same. You drop this ending I, and you say світло-зелений. Світло-зелений, it means light green. And the same thing you can do with the other colors. For example, темно-фіолетовий, dark purple, or світло-рожевий, light pink, and so on, and so on. So let's make some more examples with the colors and with the nouns, and let me show you this agreement, guys. So for example, you want to say in Ukrainian black table. The word table means steel. Steel. This is a noun, and this is masculine gender noun. So we just say like this: чорний стіл, black table. Okay, so if you want to say, for example, white dress. The word dress means sukня, sukня, and this is feminine gender. So you can't say білий сукня because this ending I shows this is the masculine form. So you change it into a, and you say біла сукня, біла сукня. Then it is in agreement. Біла сукня. The next one, for example, we want to say dark blue wall, the color, yeah, for example. The word wall means стена. Стена, it ends in a, and this is also feminine gender, guys. So we can't use this ending, and we say we have to use ending я. You can ask me, Ina, why we have here a and here ya? Because of the different endings I and I. And when we have this ending I, we have to use this ending я. Синя стіна, feminine. Синя стіна. For example, let's say light blue sky, so to say, in Ukrainian. So sky is небо. Небо. Небо, this is neuter gender, and we have to change it into a, this ending. Блакитне небо. Блакитне небо. Зелений, the next one, you want to say green cucumber. And cucumber in Ukrainian language is огірок. Огірок, this is masculine gender, and it remains the same. We say зелений огірок, green cucumber, and so on. So can you see this agreement? Can you see how it works? So if you know the adjectives, if you know how it works, then it will be very, very easy for you to make these forms, especially in the nominative case. And if you want to know all the adjectives, not all, but top the most used Ukrainian adjectives and how we change their endings, not only in the nominative form, but in all 7 cases, in all genders, in singular and in plural forms, then guys, I highly recommend you to check out my set of the flashcards, 200 common Ukrainian adjectives. Where you can find them, you can check out my online Ukrainian language school website, speaky.com. Also at my website, at my school, you can purchase a trial lesson with a professional teacher just for $1, and there you can find other free also learning materials, so it will be very useful for you. All the links you can find in the description of this video lesson, guys. And also, if you love my work, if you want to support it, you're welcome. I will be so happy if you join my Patreon, and there you can chat with me personally. You can ask some additional questions. Please, hope to see you there soon. So guys, побачимось скоро. See you soon, and па-па!